this video, I will show you how to fix your USPS website not working. So the first thing that you need to check is that make sure that your internet connection is stable. Once you're connected to a stable internet connection, you can also try switching between mobile data and internet connection. Or you can simply turn on airplane mode, leave it on for like 30 seconds, then simply turn it off again. Then turn on your Wi-Fi and make sure that you're connected. Then you can try visiting the USPS website again. And if it is still not working, what you can do is simply open up Chrome. Then click on these three dotted lines in the top right corner. There you'll find New Incognito tab. Simply click on it. Then you can try to access USPS from there. And if it is still not working, what you can do is instead of Chrome or Safari or whatever you are using at first, you can simply try opening USPS with another browser. You can click on Brave or any other browser that you have. And if it's still not working, sometimes it could be a server outage. You can simply wait for a few hours and you can retry. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.